Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by connecting the iPhone or iPad using USB or Wi-Fi syncing, and then open Finder on your Mac. Once done, select the device under Locations. This reveals tabs like General and Files. You need to allow access if prompted. Click Trust on the device, and then enter passcode. Make sure the device stays awake during transfer. This sets Finder as the portal to app-shared documents and backups, and prepares you to inspect actual files rather than just media. You now click the Files tab to list apps that share documents. This shows folders and individual items. To transfer, drag items from an app to a Mac folder, or drag files from the Mac into the Apps area to copy. If you need one specific file, use Finder's search and filters. Sort by kind or date to narrow results. Make sure to wait for copy indicators to finish before disconnecting. This gives you fine control over app data without third-party tools. Finish by checking backups and any exported files. In Finder's General tab, manage backups and locate saved archives. For app sandbox data that doesn't appear, enable the app's iCloud Drive sync or open the app and export the file to Files first. If something goes wrong, restart both devices, replug with a different cable or port, and reauthorize trust prompts. These steps resolve most connectivity and permission issues. Finally, confirm copied files open on the Mac before disconnecting to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.